And hello from a rather damp July day here in Ireland. Welcome back. Been away for a while. I was in the north of France, in Brittany, for a couple of weeks. No motorcycles involved, unfortunately. But it was a very interesting trip nonetheless. Very beautiful area. Got to see Mont Saint-Michel, this amazing island abbey town off the coast of Brittany there, and a bunch of other stuff in that area. Really cool place. But now I'm back, and today I am attempting again to find an old ring fort that I've looked for before and have not been able to find. With a bit of luck, I will get to it today. The last time I did it, if you check my previous video about it up there, I ended up just getting lost in the woods and, you know, getting further and further into this forest and not finding this ring fort. So that's the plan for the day. Let's go. It's like riding through tunnels. Doesn't look like these roads are used much. It's really beautiful though, despite the rain. Path is blocked once again. That is well and truly locked. I'll consult my map again. The Bowley Carrageen stone circle really does not want to be found. Let's give it a try. You never know if you don't try. This is a tight squeeze through here. Kind of brambles and raspberry bushes and god damn. And I don't want to ride on this grassy strip along the center because it looks pretty slippery in this rain. I think I spotted something else along here that I want to go check out quickly. Let's go take a look. Just gonna have a look at how far back some of these graves date. Yeah, these headstones are also old and worn. It's impossible to make out what the dates are. I'll have to look into it later on and I'll give you an update.
Kilranelagh graveyard is among the oldest continually functioning burial sites in the world, maybe even the oldest in Europe. In the centre of the graveyard is a curious arrangement of stones which have the appearance of a megalithic portal. Coffins would be carried between these two portal stones before being interred, ensuring that the deceased would go straight to heaven, hence the name the Gates of Heaven. It's also believed that Ad Anmer, a 6th century High King, was buried at Kilranelagh after losing the Battle of Dún Bollag. The battle occurred as Anmer attempted to expand his clan's territory southward into Leinster. Kilranella is also the resting place of the Irish patriot Sam McAllister, who gave his life defending Michael Dwyer, a hero of the 1798 Irish Rebellion. On the night of the 15th of February 1799, an informer told the English where Dwyer and a party of his men were hiding. A wounded McAllister drew fire from the enemy and was killed in the process, but this left time for Dwyer to escape. The graveyard connects you to the deep past of Ireland's ancient East, but it also allows you to experience the amazing beauty of Ireland's present.
There's a ring fort out there somewhere. Let's go find it. This is more like it. Woo! Oh yeah. Well, I guess I'm washing my bike this evening. Awesome track. Let's go see if this path is at all doable. I seriously have my doubts. Those ancient druids were determined not to let me find their stone circle. Well, I'm very much afraid that I'm going to have to concede defeat. This stone circle isn't going to have to remain in my imagination, unattainable, mysterious. And maybe someday I'll attempt it again. So all that remains now is for me to say thank you once again for joining me on this excursion down into the depths of the Wicklow forests here in Ireland. Go ahead down the bottom there and hit subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.